Hello, welcome to Ababil Math Files. Today we are going to solve this problem in which f of x plus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 by 8x is given, and the question is find f of x. So actually for the problems of this type, the solution is you can take the variable given here. So it is actually x plus 2 by x minus 2, and now the complete function is in the form of x plus 2 by x minus 2, but after simplification we got this answer. So everywhere we should find x plus 2 by x minus 2, some square or linear terms, all this. After simplification this is the answer actually. And if we can write everywhere here as x plus 2 by x minus 2, x plus 2 by x minus 2, directly we can say what is f of x. But it is very difficult to get x plus 2 by x minus 2 form everywhere here. So for that purpose what I do is, so I simply take this x plus 2 by x minus 2 and let me assume that this is y, say. So then write this as x is equal to some function of y. So in order to do it, just cross multiplication and then separating the terms and taking x is equal to. So here x plus 2 is equal to yx minus 2y, or by taking all terms to this side. So yx minus 2y minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. The aim of writing this equation is to write x is equal to f of y type. So first of all, I take x as a common factor, and here it is y minus 1 from these two terms is equal to the other two terms I take to the right hand side, which are minus 2y and minus 2. They become plus 2y and plus 2. So x is equal to, in this, 2 times y plus 1 by taking 2 as a common factor divided by y minus 1. This is actually x. X is 2 times y plus 1 by y minus 1. So now what is required to find? So here the given function is f of x plus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 by 8x. So now here one more extra step, I write it, f of x plus 2 by x minus 2 is equal to, this is clearly x plus 2 whole square. So I am writing x plus 2 whole square divided by 8x. So this is clear. So now here what I do is, I replace x plus 2 by x minus 2 by y as I have assumed earlier. Then whatever I get for x, so that I take it as 2 times of y plus 1 by y minus 1. So this gives f of y is equal to x plus 2 whole square by 8x. So I have to write x as this value, 2 times y plus 1 by y minus 1. So writing that 2y 2 times y plus 1 by y minus 1 plus 2, this is whole square, by 8 times this value, 2 times y plus 1 divided by y minus 1. So here only simplification is required. So within this square root, under the square, the simplification is 2 times y plus 2. And now multiplying in this way, we have 2y minus 2 divided by y minus 1, for this whole square is present. And again this divided by this complete one. So 16 times y plus 1 by y minus 1. This becomes the second denominator. So here I write f of y is equal to So in this one, we have plus 2 as well as minus 2 by cancelling and taking 2 outside and writing 2 square, that is 4, and this becomes, I am sorry, 2y plus 2y is 4y. 4y by y minus 1 whole square. So 4y, its square is 16y square divided by y minus 1 whole square. And the second denominator, which is also in the form of p by q, I write it as q by p here. So then this becomes y minus 1 divided by 16 times y plus 1. So cancel this 16, 16, and this y minus 1 with y minus 1. So finally we have f of y is equal to y square divided by this y minus 1 times y plus 1. So this y minus 1 times y plus 1 is y square minus 1. So when f of y is y square minus 1, then f of x is x square by x square minus 1. So this is the required function. So if you like this solution, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.